It's the first day of spring and it's time to plant the first peas of the year. I'm going to be planting Lincoln peas with my two wonderful little grandchildren and my daughter. And we'll get some, first we're going to get some what's called inoculant out, which is this powdery stuff. Yes, we're going to get more for the year, but we're just going to go ahead and put some in here right now with some Lincoln peas. And he's saying, we got snow outside, how can you plant peas and all that snow? Well, I've been doing this for 30 some years, and I prepare the beds ahead of time, get them all hoed, ready to go. And I have plastic on top, you see the wire hoops, and they're good to start planting. There we go. Put some inoculant in there. Inoculant helps the peas grow better. Helps grab the nodules off of the nitrogen in the air, and so the nodules onto the actual pea plant itself, and the roots are little nodules, and nitrogen fixing nodules, which help the plant grow better. So this pea inoculant actually helps the nodules to grab more nitrogen. I grab my hoe. And out we go. Yes, we had 23 inches of snow. Actually, I'm sorry, 25 inches of snow last week, Tuesday. We're getting another 8 to 12, 4 to 8 tomorrow. And but we are ready to go with the peas. I say we always do it the first day of spring. When my daughter was a little child, she's now a mom with two wonderful grandchildren, her children, and we do it with them now.
Ready?
So here we go. Yeah, we gotta take the thing off the end. Is that off back there? I put logs on top to help keep things down. Okay. No, not that way. Nope. There's a method to it. You're gonna roll it up. Roll it up. There we go. You roll it up. Look at that. It's all ready to go. And feel warm the soil is. Nice and warm. It's all ready to go, guys. Just plant the peas. Let's go.
You ready to plant peas, Hunter? Go see Papa.
We'll just plant the front row.
Yep, sounds good.
Yeah, no, not in there. No.
Nope, that's for harvesting.
That's when he hires potatoes.
So put that here. We're gonna go help.
Here we go.
The peas, okay?
Here we go. Grab some peas, and Mommy's gonna show you how to do them. Okay. There we go. All right. Okay, Carter. So we're just gonna put every 2-3 inches apart. Okay.
Can I have some?
Yeah, good. Mommy has some.
You know what? Your hands are gonna get a little dirty, and do you know what? It's okay because we can wash them after, okay?
There we go. That's right, Carter. Just plant them in and kind of space them apart.
Get their hands dirty? Farmers get their hands dirty.
Oh, Hunter, look at Papa. His
Farmers
hands
get
are all
their
dirty.
Carter, make sure you space them, okay? No.
Come on, here you go, Hunter. Here we go.
Hunter, here. You gotta help so you can help plant them later.
Okay.
No dig, Hunter.
Here we
No,
go.
we're not going back there, sweetie.
We're planting peas. Oh, look at this, huh? Here you go. Take some more, Carter. Here we go. Here we go. Planting peas. Come on, Hunter.
Hunter, come here. I need your help. Well, you're dirty now. You have dirt on you. You can do this.
They'll grow into the dirt.
Oh, Hunter James.
Here we go.
Yes, but it's okay, Hunter.
It's okay, Hunter, to get dirty. Not gonna hurt anything.
Farmers get dirty. How do you think they take care of the goats?
They get very dirty.
They get very dirty, like Papa said.
Here we go. We're almost done down there, huh? Good enough.
I need more.
Yeah, here you go. Yeah.
You're welcome. Are
Alrighty.
we doing them all in the row?
Huh?
Are we doing them all on this row?
Yeah. Well, I'll go ahead and drain the stuff out, and it's okay. Alrighty. Oh, absolutely.
Watch, you're gonna love this. So Carter, we're gonna let your brother help us, Carter.
The snow out of the way here. I'm just gonna dump them all in here. Cause you know what, they're wet.
Yep.
I found I gotta plant them a little thicker early in the spring because you do get a little rotting. Because it gets a little cold sometimes, but that's okay. Okay, so here we go. Look at Papa's hands are all dirty, see? So watch. Put it in the snow and wipe it off, see? That's okay. Okay, here we go. You ready to help me cover them up? Okay.
No, 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 no.
You gonna help me? You gonna help me? Come here. Help me. Good boy. There we go. Okay, next one. Good job. Here we go.
Hold on, we gotta move
Oh,
this out of the way.
here we go. Back up this way. Here we go. What do you think, Carter? Huh?
No, no.
Here we go. You can all help together. We go help together. Oh, no, come here. Let Carter help. Here we go. Good boy, Carter. Here we go. Okay, next spot. So these are all the wire hoops. I've been doing this for, let's see, I started doing this back in 1985.
Whoa.
Doing it this way. Or 86. Who's counting? So you can put all the dirt on top. Good job, guys. All right. And we'll put the plastic bag up, and tonight we're going to put a blanket on top because it gets too cold. Here we go.
Easy, you can pick up from at the end.
Here we go. Okay, here we go. This back up here. Oops. Okay, now we got to pack it down.
Oh, you almost pushed me in the snow.
Pack it down. Want to use your hands? Pack, pack. Good job. Pack, pack.
Pat, pat here. It's okay, Dirty. Pat, pat here, please.
Pack, pack. There we go. Very good. Okay. Now it's covered back up. All right. There we go. Good job. What do you think, Carter? Here we go. Carter, help me put it back on the cover, Carter? Okay. You grab that side. Grab the 2x4. Then grab the other end. Now grab the middle, and we're going to roll it gently, okay? Nice and easy. Here we go. That's it.
Now what about these two loggy things?
We're going to put those in the end to hold the wind from blowing it over. Like that. And same with that one there, and we're good to go. So what do you think, guys?
What do you want to say?
Thank you. And this is Carter, and you want to give Papa a thumbs up, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. Bye!